Want to get a Hostinger discount, saving you money on your Hostinger web hosting purchase? Then this Hostinger coupon code video is for you. In this Hostinger coupon code discount tutorial, I'll be showing you how to save even more money than you see being listed here, so you don't have to pay a higher price for your Hostinger hosting purchase. Plus, you'll get a free domain name on annual plans. To take advantage of the Hostinger coupon code, click the link in the description below to take advantage of the Hostinger discount. I've included the Hostinger coupon code next to the link in the description that I'll be using later in the video. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Hostinger discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Hostinger web hosting plans page. Click the Start Now button. You'll now be taken down to the Hostinger hosting plans. You get a greater discount than you see being listed here by using the Hostinger coupon code I've included next to the link in the description. You'll see 3 different Hostinger hosting plans listed: the Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup plan. Now I want to go over how to save even more money than the discounted amount you see being listed here. Select the plan you'd like to go with. Click the Choose Plan button on the plan you want. For this tutorial, I'll choose the Premium plan. The discount will work on any of the Hostinger web hosting plans. Now let's save even more than what we see being listed here. You'll see the Have a Coupon code. Click this. Enter the Hostinger coupon code I've included with the link in the description. You'll see the additional amount we will be saving. In the period section, you can change the term you'd like to go with. You'll save the most money with the 48-month term. I'll change it to the 12-month term, and you'll see the discount we will now be saving on our Hostinger hosting purchase. The free domain name or any domain name purchases are done after payment in the Hostinger HPanel. Enjoy your Hostinger coupon code discount so you can save money on your Hostinger hosting purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Hostinger hosting tutorial videos.